Hello folks, this is Jeremy Cloud from Cloud Financial with your August 2015 Educational Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the most important economic events from last month and give you some insight on what they might mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. August was a rough month for global financial markets. A Greek debt crisis, worries about Chinese recession, and uncertainty around the Federal Reserve interest rate hike all took their toll on investor sentiment. Let's talk about what happened last month. Greece finally arrived at a compromise with its European creditors that resolved its debt crisis, at least for the moment. The deal gives Greece another bailout while instituting some of the reforms that creditors wanted to see. We expect to see a fresh round of Greek drama in September during new national elections. China took center stage in mid-August when its central bank unexpectedly devalued its currency. A few days later, the markets worldwide plummeted when reports showed that China's economic growth was below China's central bank forecast. China is the world's second largest economy and has accounted for a significant percentage of global economic growth in recent years. While exports to China contribute a very small percentage of U.S. GDP, a recession in China could be a major drag on the global economy. Fortunately, domestic spending is the largest driver of the U.S. economy, giving us a shield against economic issues overseas. While some U.S. companies would be affected by a Chinese slowdown, we believe that fundamentals are looking positive for the U.S. economy as a whole. Domestically, the economic picture looks much brighter. The second estimate of U.S. domestic gross product showed that the economy grew 3.7% last quarter instead of 2.3% originally thought. That's excellent news after the dismal growth the economy experienced at the start of the year. Consumer spending, the biggest contributor to U.S. economic growth, also grew substantially in July. Hopefully, cheaper gasoline, a strong labor market, and higher housing prices will continue to support consumer spending in the third quarter. So let's recap. While the global economic picture looks messy, U.S. fundamentals are looking positive. We do anticipate further economic turbulence, especially as investors react to the Fed's meeting on the 16th and 17th. Both the Cloud Financial team and the Investment Committee at Precision Capital Management are keeping a close eye on global events and how they affect our clients, and will update you as necessary. As always, if you have any questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please give our office a call at the number below. Once again, this is Jeremy Cloud with Cloud Financial signing off for the month of August 2015. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 256-715-0094. We'd be happy to talk to you.
While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investment advisory services are offered through Precision Capital Management, an SEC-registered investment advisor. The firm only transacts business in states where it is properly registered or is excluded or exempted from registration requirements. SEC registration is not an endorsement of the firm by the Commission and does not mean that the advisor has attained a specific level of skill or ability.